Hi you guys, today we're going to be learning AR verbs. So what are AR verbs? AR verbs are verbs that end in AR. Now in Spanish there are many different forms of verbs, however our main verbs are ending in AR, ER, and IR. But today we are focusing on our AR verbs. Okay, so here we have this again. AR verbs are verbs that end in AR. We're going to go over a couple. We have our first verb, brincar, enseñar, estudiar, pintar, cantar, hablar, saludar, caminar, patear, agarrar, bailar, brincar otra vez, viajar, mirar a la televisión, hablar por teléfono, estudiar, nadar, buscar, cocinar, pagar por, always put it with the por, at least at first when you're learning, okay? Escuchar a la música, practicar, this is a cognate, it looks just like in the English, right? And that is all. So make sure you're going over all of these verbs. If you download the AR packet, there's way more verbs in there, but this should get you started. And just make sure you're, like I said, going over everything and continue to practice. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Adios.